Welcome to Mr. Den English World. Hello, everyone! Welcome to my palace. Today we are going to learn English idioms with me, Elsa. Today, we learn 10 important idioms. Hi, friends! Idioms are special English expressions with hidden meanings.
And we'll make English as cool as ice.
To give someone a cold shoulder means to ignore them.
But Elsa never ignores anyone now.
Actions speak louder than words. Doing good is better than just saying it. Number 2 is piece of cake. That means something is very easy, like helping Olaf find his nose. When someone is on thin ice, they are in a risky situation, just like walking here. Always tread carefully.
Wow, that storm turned out to be a blessing in disguise.
Yes, sometimes bad things bring something good in the end.
When we break the ice, it means we start a friendly conversation. Like when I met Anna again ago, I had to break the ice after all those years.
Beat around the bush.
It means not saying something directly, like when Elsa hides my birthday surprise.
When you're snowed under, you're very busy. Just like me when I manage the whole kingdom. If someone says there's a snowball's chance, it means something is nearly impossible. But I believe in miracles. You already know this one. Let it go means to stop worrying and move on. If something is a piece of cake, it means it's very easy. When something is crystal clear, it's easy to understand, like ice itself. To spill the beans means to tell a secret. Like when you told Olaf about my surprise. Number 9. Butterflies in my stomach. It means feeling nervous. When I talk to a crowd, I get butterflies in my stomach. When something is crystal clear, it's easy to understand, like ice itself.
When I say I need to hit the books, I mean I have to study hard. Don't hit them too hard.
If you bite off more than you can chew, you take on too much work.
You sure did.
When you say you are under the weather, it means you are not feeling well. But don't worry, hot cocoa and rest can fix that. Something that happens once in a blue moon means very rarely, like me waking up early.
Hi, friends! My turn. I love idioms, even if I mix them up sometimes. When you're cool as a cucumber, you're calm, just like Elsa in a snowstorm. Break a leg means good luck before a show, but please don't break any snow legs.
When you hit the nail on the head, it means you're exactly right. Like when I guessed Elsa needed hot chocolate, and I was right.
If you're in hot water, it means you're in trouble. Uh-oh, I think I am. When you're cool as a cucumber, you're calm, just like Elsa in a snowstorm. Having your head in the clouds means daydreaming. I dream of warm hugs and hot cocoa.
Number 4, call it a day. It means stop working for now. After this lesson, we will call it a day.
I'm walking on air. That means I'm super happy, probably because it's snowing again.
Great job, everyone. You've learned so many idioms today.
Practice them and sound more natural in English.
And always keep it cool.
Speak English, they'll make your language shine. And always stay cool. Thank you for watching Mr. Dung English World. See you next time with more magical English lessons. Goodbye from Arendelle.